Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Smith in the Outdoors. And as you saw of the title of this video, my friend almost got shot while rabbit hunting. I will explain that more. Alright, so what happened in this video is pretty much me and my friend decided to go out, and I was going to put the camera on right when we got out there, but we didn't see anything for like 5-10 minutes. So I decided not to, but then they got two right off the bat. So I said I decided to put the GoPro on, and then we got some crazy footage of the rabbit hunt. So within like 2 to 3 minutes of my friend shooting rabbits, we saw that rabbit there. Well, I didn't. I kind of saw it. I saw a glimpse of it, but they saw it and we ran after it, but couldn't find that one. So in this clip you guys saw I got my rabbit, but my friend was standing across from me and the rabbit, and I told him to move, but he moved behind a tree straight back, like where I was shooting towards and not to the side. But he was behind a tree, which was good, but it was not a big tree at all. But we got the rabbit with no injuries that happened at all, so that was great. That was good fun there too.
Ow! He's still there. He's gone. He's gone. Let's go. Let's go. He's over here. He's over here. Yeah, let's make it. I thought you did too. So I'll stay down here. We'll go up top. Dude, like he's right. He's right in there somewhere. He was close to you too, Chad. He was wicked. That's right.
Alright guys, and that one, we just couldn't get the rabbit because I ran into some really thick stuff after, and we were not going in there, but that happens when you're rabbit hunting. I think we saw 5 that day, got 3 of them, and 2 got away, sadly. So I did record this video with them like 2 weeks ago because it's been negative degrees for like the whole week, and it was Christmas break or holiday break, which really sucks because, you know, usually they're not moving and whatnot in negative degree weather. And I was gonna go out with some dogs, but dogs don't really smell rabbits too well when it's in the negatives, so that really sucks. But we got this video out, and actually later today after I post this, we're going out because it's like 19 degrees out. It's supposed to be, and that's the warmest it's been all week, so that's good. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video of Smith in the Outdoors, and there will be more rabbit hunts probably Monday or Tuesday of next week, so thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for some more.